In today's video, I'll show you how to make a simple chocolate cake using sour milk, 1 cup of flour, sugar, baking powder, 3 eggs, cocoa powder, cooking oil, and some salt. First things first, we're going to add our sugar into a bowl. I used 3 tablespoons. We'll follow that through with the cooking oil, 3 tablespoons as well. Give this a good mix. Next, we'll add 3 well-beaten eggs and give it another whisk. If it's your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification button so you can be alerted every time there's a new recipe. I'll add in some milk. I'll show you later in the video what to do with the remaining milk, so be sure to watch this video up to the end. Whisk that again. Make sure all your ingredients are well mixed all the way to the bottom of the bowl. At this point, we'll come in with some salt, 1/4 teaspoon. The whole idea is to bring out the chocolate flavor by making it more pronounced. After this, we'll add dry ingredients, that is the flour, baking powder, and the cocoa powder, and sift in order to get rid of these lumps. Mix and gradually add your remaining milk until it is all used up. Keep mixing until all your ingredients are well incorporated. Next, we'll pour our butter into a prepared baking tin. By prepared, I mean that it has been greased and dusted or lined with parchment paper so that the cake doesn't stick to it once it's done. After that, we are going to give our batter a gentle tap against the counter. The reason we do this is so that we can get rid of the air bubbles that usually would interfere with your cake's texture. So when you tap it against the countertop, the bubbles come up and they pop, and then the texture will be more even. After that is done, you get your butter into a preheated oven, and after 30 minutes, this is what we have. Kindly be alert, be sure to watch and check regularly so that it doesn't burn. And then I sliced mine open so that it can cool faster. This is ready for decoration, so please stay tuned as I'm going to illustrate just how to decorate your cake with simple icing. Bye.